All right, welcome back to another video where we're watching a WWDC session together, and this time it's what's new in App Store Connect. As always, make sure to prepare a second device with your the video so you can watch alongside me. And I'm going to count down from 3 so we can click play together and then we can watch. If you don't want to watch alongside me, just want to see my summary going through my notes, just get to the end of the video and just watch that part. But let me prepare this video now. All right, so let's download the latest App Store Connect. What's new in App Store Connect? Just a 9-minute video, so this should be a short one. Let's see what's new though. And let's turn off the music. And turn on the thumbnail so you can see right there what I'm seeing. And let me get to the start. All right, I'm ready. And if you are ready, let's count down from 3, 2, 1, play. Sorry. That's nice. All right. So that was the session, and now let's get to our notes and let's have a look at what we have learned from this session. All right, so well, there's quite a few things, and I think mostly they first summarize what they have been bringing in already throughout the last year. So not everything is new right this week. they listed these things here. So if you're interested, so things like test flight group column and transfer apps that use Apple Wallet, it's now possible enhanced App Store submission experience. And in this case, they have gone into more details. So they've listed them. They basically said that multiple items can now be sent in one submission. And this helps ensure a consistent review. And they also try to make sure that they are done within 24 hours, which is definitely great to hear. And what's really cool is that there's two ways to resolve if you ever run into issues. One is you can basically edit a specific one and resubmit that, or you can just exclude the ones that were not accepted, and you can send the other ones. So both ways are possible. Yeah, I didn't get the app versions part. I think I just don't have enough production shipping apps to know about these details, but submit without need of new app version, so that you can submit if there is a problem. You don't have to always upload a new version. That's definitely a great improvement. Yeah, details there. Then dedicated submission page. App review page gives an overview of submission status, and they have enhanced the submission experience also on iOS and iPad. And it's really cool that now you can submit from the iPhone. So you can upload, like on the Mac, you can upload everything, and then you can like just, for example, if you started with Fastlane and you let it do everything for you, you just want to check at the end before submitting when it's done, but you're leaving then, you're home or something like that, and then you want to submit from on the go. And that's really cool that you can now do that. You can submit from your iPhone. You can also manage submissions. You can see rejection reasons. This is really useful because you typically are not always at your Mac when the review happens. So you might want to know the detail though, and then you have to go to the browser, and that's really annoying. And now you can see it right in the app. That's really cool. And you can even reply to app review. So again, if you see the rejection reason and you just need to explain something, you can do it right on the phone, and that's really amazing. Then they said that the App Store Connect API now has 60% more resources, so it's covering many more APIs, looks like. And part of that is in-app purchase and subscriptions, so new subscription resource, you can create and edit them, manage the pricing, submit for review, and create offers and promo codes. This, I think, are really some of the most important parts that were missing until now, and now they are part of the API. So maybe Fastlane itself also can now switch to the App Store Connect API for more endpoints. Then the customer reviews and developer responses are now also part of the API, which is amazing because now they can be integrated in other tools, and then you can do that thing from other tools. So you don't have to always go to App Store Connect. And the app hang diagnostics, that's basically now part of Xcode. You can see that in Xcode. It looks like they are now also part of the API. So other tools, like again, crash reporting tools or things like that, can show they can show this data because they are now available on the API. And they also noted at the end that the XML APIs are being deprecated, and to fully embrace REST APIs, which also definitely is a good thing to hear. So overall, really good improvements here, especially the iPhone thing I think is great to hear for developers, and the in-app purchase and also the hang diagnostics for other services. I think it's a huge thing, and overall this is going to just improve the whole experience with the App Store Connect, and less people are going to have to go to the App Store Connect website, which is quite slow sometimes, because now other tools can integrate their things. So that's my summary on this topic, what's new in App Store Connect. And this was a short one, but we're still going to do a mini short break, and I'll be back after like 1 or 2 minutes, and we're going to continue with the topic what's new in TextKit and text views, and then we'll go to meet the expanded San Francisco family. I think then also it's enough for me for today, and I'll be continuing with videos tomorrow. But all right, if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like this video right now, and for everyone else, I'll be back in a couple of minutes or 2 minutes. See you there.